Oh my god. I almost just walked into that. That's freaking disgusting. Look at that thing. Ooh, that's so gross. I would have absolutely got butt naked down to nothing and ran out of these woods. That is the freaking disgustingest thing ever. Get it. Oh my gosh. Freak that. What up, fam jam? Welcome to another episode. I said today we're going to do some creek walking so we can find some rocks, something interesting, some fossils, something cool, and maybe some petrified wood. I always find a lot of petrified wood in this area. A little bit of fossils, like some shells and stuff. And God, I need a freaking haircut. Can't see out my hair. But yeah, sometimes I'll find some shark's teeth here every once in a while. But we just had a lot of rain, so hopefully we can find some cool crap that's been washed out of the banks. And yeah, I don't know. Let's just check it out. See what we can go find. See what we can do. People are so gross, so lazy and disgusting. Just throw trash everywhere. So sad. All right, hopefully I got everything set up right. Let's grab the bag. Let's start looking. See what we can find. So I'm not seeing anything yet, but it's kind of hard when you find this big concentration of rocks. There's something right there. Nothing. Little piece of glass. Trash it. Come on, there's gotta be something right here. Cool looking rock. Well, that thing has been tumbled and rolled like crazy. Pretty cool though, but nothing I won't. Oh wow, look at that freaking skipping rock. Gum. That thing is paper flat. Might actually have to hold on that, find me a lake. All right, I think I might have just found. No. Thought that was a piece of pottery. That is not. Man, there's usually something right here at this little sandbar, but not getting any luck right now. Oh well, I'm gonna walk up to the better spot. Hit this one little creek bank real quick before I run off. Do a little scanning. Hey, if y'all see something that I don't see, freaking let me know in the comments so I can come back and get it. I'm telling you, it's hard to scan everything with your own eyes. There's just so much. Ooh, look at that. Oh, is that what I think it is? Maybe. That is a piece of petrified bark. don't know if you can see the rings on the side right there, but I'm about 98% positive that's a piece of petrified bark from some type of tree. Well, I'm glad I hit this freaking bank real quick. That's a win. That's a plus. Got our first piece to start the day. You know what? I don't go this way much. I'm gonna try walking this way. I'm stuck. Well, look at all these deer tracks, raccoon tracks, possum tracks. I'm guessing that was a armadillo or something dragging its tail, maybe. Huh. It is freaking muddy right here. It's another little rock bank. And just one freaking creepy ball. Oh, let's see here. Let's get down and personal. There's gotta be something right here too. Hey, look at this one. Thing's super clear, look at that. So I can hold it to the light a little bit. Pretty cool. Yeet. I found a nice freaking arrowhead in this creek one time, but it's been the only one I've found. I don't know, I think this is just a piece of iron ore. Yeah. You can see the rust all over it. Some kind of irony type rock. What is that? That's unique. Huh. Well, we did find another cool rock. It's clear, look, you can see my finger through it. Pretty daggum cool. You know, like a piece of glass almost, but it's not. Figured I'd show y'all real quick. Alright, kid. Alright. Well, scan this real quick. I don't think I see anything good, but I don't know. Let's keep on moving. Let's go over here to the deep part. Hey, look, there's a little fish over there, and some nice trash. Wow, this is gonna wash out a lot. It used to be like really freaking deep right here. Oh man, there's a whole school of fish right there. They peeled out. Man, I wish I had my sift. And sift right here in these rocks. There's like a stump right here, and that water comes rushing through here, right here. I just said something double, but oh well. But that water comes rushing through here, and it'll push these rocks, and they get stuck behind these stumps underwater. And that's where you'll get a lot of buildup of some good stuff. But I don't have a shovel, Oh, I just sunk like crazy crap. Ugh. I don't have a shovel or all that gear today. What was that? Okay, yeet. Trash. I'm trying to carry too much junk. All right. Oh yeah, that's a freaking really good spot right there. It's a curve right here in the bank. All those raccoon prints. They come down here and wash their food. It's freaking hilarious. Let's check right here in this little bank. All right, so check this out. I think this is pretty cool. So this tree right here is in this bank. It goes way the freak back in there, or this log or whatever. But you can tell it's been covered in water and mud for years, probably, until this creek ran out, pushed all this soil and sediment away from it, and now it's exposed. But like, it's just cool to me that it's been buried for God knows how long in this creek. I mean, it's a pretty deep creek. You can see the bank goes up right there. But now it's exposed from the tip right here. And eventually, you know, I don't know, a couple hundred more years, maybe 1,000 more years, this will be petrified wood of some sort. And I don't know, maybe somebody can find a way in the future. I think it's pretty cool. I'm not an expert by any means, but that's just my theory, is what I think. And honestly, I think this whole area used to be a volcano, like an extinct volcano, because it's hard to tell, but like this is one big, just round mountain hill randomly where we're at. And I think like the soil and stuff's been pushed up. I think that's why there's so many fossils and stuff right here, because you just got a little bit of ways from here and there's not any fossils or any other stuff. So I don't know, I just whenever think like this volcano was forming or something was forming, it's pushing up and pushing all this stuff out maybe. I don't know. I'd like to have an expert's opinion, but that's just my theory. So I'm thinking all the hundreds of times I've been here and looking and finding stuff. But could be wrong, could be completely wrong, but I thought it was pretty cool. All right, well, this piece looks promising up here. It looks like a petrified wood, but I'm sure it's probably just a piece of broken off wood. It's washed down. But I have found a giant piece of petrified. Oh man, dadgummit. I was so hopeful.
Ha! Got him! Ha! Got him!
Well, freaking fudge. It was right here that me and my two boys found like the biggest freaking petrified log I've ever found in my life. It's huge. I said I have to show y'all. It's at home on my mantle. I said I have to show y'all. But this thing's freaking massive. We went ecstatic when we found it. I said it came like right out from up under that bank right there. We had to dig it out. We sat here and dug for a good while. But it's sick. I have to show y'all sometime. I say here's another example of what I was talking about earlier. Like this tree fell hundreds of years ago. And every time I come here, it gets a little bit more exposed. But I mean, eventually that's going to be one giant piece of petrified wood, if the conditions are right. Not everything turns petrified, but I think that's really cool. The thing's been laying there forever under sand and mud and just all kinds of crap. And now it's getting exposed. That's just so freaking cool to me. All right, I quit nerding out for a minute. Well, apparently I just stumbled upon somebody's little camp. They were getting extremely drunk, peeled up, and drinking mouthwash and all kinds. Man, I hope there's not a freaking dead body or something right here. I'm gonna puke. Oh, I can't do that. Please don't be nothing over here nasty. Check this out. So this rock right here has been laying and this iron ore has made like a matrix around this rock. It's freaking pretty cool. You can see all that rust. It's just rust from the iron ore. Look at that. It's wild. Pretty cool. Yeet. Well, this is new. I haven't been to this spot. It's usually blocked up really bad, but apparently it's been washed out and pushed in by new construction. All kinds of good stuff. Which, I mean, there's a lot of crap blocking it still. There's a tire and rim if anybody needs it. Looks like it's a P265 70 R16. If anybody needs that, you just hit me up in the comments. I'll probably take about $50 for it. So it looks like it's a pretty decent condition. Got some good tread on it still. It's got flames on the side, so that's probably, I don't know, that probably adds another extra $10 and probably like 6 horsepower to your car. So new territory here. There's a nice little washout. I don't know, let me go check that out real quick. It's gonna bother me. Oh my, ow, crap. That hurt. Oh, son of a. Oh man, look at that shell layer. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm freaking stuck in quicksand or freaking thick mud. There's that gray back there. That's the layer of goodies. But I'm not going up in that crap right now, so maybe another time. All right, we finally reached my favorite freaking spot. I say right around this corner right here. This big freaking embankment. Oh, let me get there. Yeah, you can see it. So right here is my favorite spot because there's always the most rock buildup. You got this giant cliff washout right here. And right there-ish, I found a freaking giant spearhead. It's at home in my case. I'll show that to y'all as well. All right, now you can see the layers right here. This like ancient riverbed, our shell layer, our ancient ocean layer. I know the ocean was over a little bit of this area at one time. Probably why I find shark's teeth and everything. There's some ancient trash. I think they had like Burger King back when the dinosaurs were around. And I know a lot of dinosaurs drink a lot of bottled water. But I don't know, I'm looking at this layer right here. There's some good stuff sometimes, some cool rocks. But right above this layer, in that layer, is where I found a giant spearhead dating back to who knows how long ago. So I'm just gonna keep scanning the crap out of this little area right here and this little hang. There's a cliff literally above me, so if anything falls, I'm probably buried under here and nobody ever see this video, but I don't know, I'm gonna get back to it and take a gander of real good over all this stuff so I can find something good, and I'll catch y'all back in a little while. Well, this is pretty cool. I mean, it's nothing I'm taking home, but show you, this is sandstone from way back when. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it a little bit right there. See if there you go. Crack it. I'm gonna crack it better. So that's sandstone from, I don't know, maybe like ocean layer or ancient riverbed. And it just gets compacted with more and more stuff on top of it and just smashes this down and turns it into a very brittle rock. But thought it was pretty cool. But we don't want none of that. Eat. We're just gonna keep looking on this little rock bed real quick. Maybe I'll find something good. So does anybody know what this is? I keep wanting to call it like jasper or something, but I don't think it is. It's like reddish, some kind of, I don't know, I call it river rock, but I mean, it's really cool looking. It's been very polished, heavily polished, and rolled and tumbled. But that, like that red in it, I don't know what it is. Somebody can let me know down in the comments. I need to hit up like Paleo Chris and Wild Kyle on YouTube and see if they can answer this for me or tell me what this is. There's like these really cool like specks in it. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera, but it's freaking really cool. Maybe I can hit up those guys and ask them. Maybe one day I can go roll with them, creek walk. They can teach me a bunch of stuff. Figure out what a lot of this crap is. All right, here's the other reason. Now, this is one of my favorite spots. It sucks that we're about to turn it into a huge truck stop gas station, and there's so many freaking fossils. Look at this. That's just pure shell rock, and there's fossils all in it. You can see, right there, inside there's a fossil. I mean, if you just bust this up, there's just huge clumps of clams and brachioids and oysters and all kinds of ancient freaking ocean critters. And all right, it finally happened. See if I can't see right here on this freaking camera. See if you can see it right here. It's been a while since I found one. See how close I can get where it'll focus. There it is. Sweet. Freaking shark's tooth. Really nice one. I said, I don't know if that's like a snaggle tooth shark or a like posterior tooth or a tiger shark. Boy, that thing is still serrated. That is insane. Freaky. All right, there's the one. There's freaking plenty more somewhere. So here's another good piece. It's just got tons of dead sea life just stacked on top of each other in there. Just shells and shells and shells. It's been mashed into a rock from all the pressure. So here's another good piece somewhere. Where did I just find it? That gummit, I lost it. There it is. It's some kind of shell. Oyster, brachiopod, clam, something. I'll keep looking. Need some more sharks. Look at this freaking piece. That's just loaded down with fossils. Sweet. Look at that one. That's freaking sick right there. That's a good one. Wish I could get that out in one piece. I was just about to call it quits. I was walking back to the truck. I kept looking down. I'm like right here at the truck. I looked in this little washout, and I just found a freaking good one. I haven't found one this good in a while. See if y'all can spot it. Look at that thing. Oh, that is sick. Oh man, it's still got the root and everything. Freaking A, this is gonna make a good necklace. I'm gonna be easy with it, but that is sick. That's probably the second best one I've ever found here. Oh my gosh. God, look at that. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna keep looking now. I'm addicted again, so I'll catch y'all back if I find something else. All right, broskies and broskets. I'm exhausted. I'm about to call it a day. I appreciate y'all watching the video. We got one good shark tooth, a couple good little pieces of petrified wood, some tiny pieces of petrified wood. I've hauled a lot of better stuff out of here, but I guess we just need a good grain. Even though, it's freaking filthy out here, and I've been stuck everywhere. There's a bunch of water holding over there, but I'm gonna come back when I got more time and it's more sunny. Maybe it'll help me find some better stuff. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you on the next venture. Peace.